Let me introduce you to Filter Flosser.
This new tool was specifically developed for cleaning cartridge filter systems found in pools, spas, and industrial applications. With Filter Flosser's curved design, you can clean up to 7 times more surface area than you can from a regular garden hose. The nozzle's unique spray pattern maximizes the water volume and can be used in 3 distinctive ways: horizontally, vertically, and converged for tough spots. Use short strokes for best results. Filter Flosser creates a powerful water-air agitation action that gets deep down to the back of the pleats, removing built-up dirt and debris for a really thorough cleaning. It reduces over half the time and water resources needed for the job and reduces the mess. Filter Flosser is made from 100% durable aluminum, not plastic, and it has an easy on-off valve on the handle for your convenience. This product will last for years to come. Pool, spa, and other professionals use Filter Flosser to clean their cartridge filters. And now you can too. Filter Flosser. Invented by a pool and spa owner for pool and spa owners.